Welcome to Matematicas, anyone. Today I will teach you this topic, Inscribed Angles and Polygons. This class I will to divide in 3 sections. The first section I will talk about inscribed angles, only this. The section number 2, angles in inscribed right triangles. And then the section number 3, angles inscribed in quadrilaterals. All right? Okay, so welcome to geometry class. First of all, I will show you what I mean these inscribed angles in when we have a circle. So if you have this circle, like for instance these ones, let me give it to write some points right here. So this point, let's give it letters. Let me write a letter right here, D, and then this B, A, B, C, and D. All right. So this is very important. Understand. For instance, the inscribed, the angle B here, angle B. Let's write. We're talking about this piece. Angle B. Angle B is inscribed is an inscribed angle, right? And then whereas angle D, we call, you need to be focused on this angle D. The angle D is a central angle, is a central angle. All right. So angle is like this, all right? Angle. And then on the arc, we have the arc AC. This AC, the arc. This arc is the post intercept. So intercept is this arc, both intercept. I mean, both intercept right here. They are okay. This is the data here. It's clear this. I will write this because I write the formulas. I am talking about this picture, right? So let me inscribe it in angle. Inscribed angle theorem. All right. What is inscribed angle theorem? We have I told you here. So the measure of angle B here is equals this angle B. This is the inscribed angle. I write it before. B here is equals 1/2. This is like formula 1/2 times measure of angle D. All right, the angle D. We are going to follow this formula to find the answer in this question. Number 2, this is identified can be rewriting. So rewriting. So rewriting 2 times measure angle B. Right? Angle B equals measure angle D. So something like this. All right. So then let's solve first problem. Where is the measure of this angle? We need to know how much is F. All right. To do that, we have here. Let's write some step. Angle G. We have G And then we have FH. Okay, this angle. Angle GFH is the same one, this F right there. Okay, is an inscribed angle. So this is an inscribed angle. No, remember the inscribed angle. This is the central angle. This is the central angle. F, but you go to this way. Remember, the example I give it to before is GIH. This is the inscribed angle. Inscribed angle. All right. Okay. Right. And then that intercept the same arc as the central angle. This angle is the same intercept, the same arc, this is the same arc to the central angle. The central angle this is the central angle, GFH, the central, this is the inscribed, and then both has the same arc. The arc is GH, okay? So then let's write then a measure of angle F, because I'm looking for, is equals, remember the formula I give it to you, is equals to measure of angle GIH, this one, all right? This is Inscribed theorem. Inscribed theorem. Inscribed angle theorem. Angle theorem. All right. So this is equals. Simplify here. Will be equals right here. 2 times. How much is here? 47 degrees. 47 degrees. This is the angle, the value of this angle. All right. Now, just make operation. You multiply 2 times 47, you will have 94 degrees. 94 degrees. Here, we multiply. This is the answer here. And then angle measuring of angle F is equals 94 degrees. This is the answer or our problem. Okay. So now let me go to the section number 2. Let's write these angles in inscribed inscribed right triangles. Okay. Let's write one problem. What is a measure of angle T? Let me make a picture. Okay. And then we will have some triangle right here. Just cross like this. Will be a right triangle here. It's a right triangle. So have points here. Let's write. Let me write the letters here. Let's talk about this T, and then S, and then R. And then let's give it some values here. Let's write 38 right here, 38 degrees. All right, 38 degrees right here. Okay. Remember, if here, if AC, for instance, here, remember, if AC, all right, is a diameter, in a picture like in this picture right here, we have like this, something like this. We have let's be C, let's say right here A, and then let's say the right side, right angle right there. This is a right angle. Entonces, if AC here, this is a diameter, as I mean, right here, this one, AC diameter, AC of the circle, right? The inscribed angle. So the inscribed angle then inscribed. The inscribed angle is angle. I mean A here, A. That's right, A and B and C. A, B, and C. The inscribed is this one right here, right? It's a right angle. Then it's a right angle. This is a right angle. All right. So now compare with that one. Let's solve then now the problem. Now we are able to solve our problem. Okay, first step here, since RT, so RT is a segment, this line is a diameter, right here is a diameter. All right, of the circle. All right. So angle is this one. This angle. Angle is. Then it's a right angle. Is a right angle. Okay. It's a right angle. So this one. We are able to write for instance M right here. M, remember the formula, angle measure angle R plus measure of angle T R and T, those are equals to 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees, because it's a triangle. The angles inside of triangle are equals to 90 degrees, right? 90 degrees. So just plug it in. We have to plug it in the value of the angle R. Here, let's write 38 degrees is like this, plus M, I mean measuring angle T equals 90. So move to the other side this number, and then we have measuring angle T equals 90 minus 38 degrees. Subtract the other side. Subtract. You subtract, the measuring of angle T will be equals 90 minus 38 is equals 52 degrees. That's the measuring of angle the angle T. This one is equals 52. 52 degrees. All right, that's our second problem. It is very simple. It is not very simple. Okay, let me erase this case and let's go to the third one. The third section of my class today is about inscribed angles and polygons. Okay, third case, we have angle 3. Let's write number 3. Angle or angles inscribed quadrilaterals. All right. So let's write one problem. What is measuring of angle T? Again, let's write let me make a circle right here. Now we are talking about quadrilateral. So I mean, it's a picture with 4 sides. Triangles 3 sides, quadrilaterals 4 sides. Let's write this picture. Like that. Make up 4 sides. I will write like this. 4 sides. Let's write is right here. Let's write R, and then this side U, and then let's write T. Give me some value here. 41, list size 115 degrees. This the angle. All right. So for instance, remember the opposite angles in inscribed quadrilaterals are supplementary. Okay, let's write this rule. The opposite angles, okay, in inscribed quadrilateral are supplementary. All right, this is very important. Identify this key in this kind of problems. All right, so is supplementary angles are equals to 180 degrees. Supplementary angles. Okay, that means this, and this is very important. This is the key to solve this problem in this section, right? Okay. First step. Let's write here measuring of angle R, right? Plus measuring angle T, R and T. We are talking about the opposite. Opposite angles are supplementary, okay? Those are equals, what? I told you 180 degrees. 80 degrees. These angles are equals 180 degrees. Okay? So we have to plug it in 115 degrees. And angle R, let's then write 150 degrees, this angle, plus measuring of angle T equals 180. That step. So now next step, measuring of angle T equals 180 minus, because you must to move to the other side, subtract. 115 degrees. Then if you solve the operation, measuring of, let's write with this. The measuring of angle T, this is the question, measuring angle T is equal to subtract 180 degrees subtract 115 from 180 degrees. You do this operation, you will have 65 degrees. 65 degrees. So this is the answer to our problem in this case. All right, that was Inscribed Angles and Polygons. So thank you so much for being in our geometry class. I'm waiting for you next time. Thank you.